So yeah, thank you for 100 subscribers, 200 subscribers now, Jesus. And yeah, follow me on Bluesky, because I'm on there now. Okay, that's it. Watch the video, please. What's up, everybody? So today, right here, I have my trusty HP Compact 6710B on my couch here. I have Windows 11 on this USB stick. This laptop is really old. It's from 2007 and has a Core 2 Duo, 4 gigabytes of RAM. And I'm going to try putting Windows 11 on this. So let's turn it on. And we'll put the USB in. Turn it on. Right now on this hard drive is just, it's a dual boot of Windows XP and Windows 7. Any second now. Any second now. Windows 11. Oh! Hey, we got the loady thing. That's a good start. Anyways, this wouldn't work if I was using the traditional method of doing this. So I'm using a tool called Rufus, which is what I use to burn the ISO of Windows 11 to this USB. And I don't know why I always do this. I have to click English Canada. I don't know why I do that. I just do that. It doesn't really matter. Oh, that's black now? I don't use Windows 11. I use Windows 10 LTSC on my main computer. And for the setup, it's always been purple, but now it's black? I have 22H2. Okay, we'll get Windows 11 Pro. So this is a Windows 11 22H2 and not the latest, whatever, 69H2, whatever. And it's because 22H2... No, wait. As of 24H2, I think it was, you had to have at least an SSE 4.2 capable CPU, but this CPU is only SSE 4.1 capable, at least that's its maximum. And we are just going to delete all these partitions. Goodbye. 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 I'm gonna miss those installations of Windows. You guys won't care, though, because, well, this is mine. And I'm putting Windows 11 on it. Time for the time-lapse. So that part of the setup's done now. It's, I guess, on installing updates, but there's no percentage. Looks like it might restart here soon. Oh, there's a network light. You can't see it, but there's a network light down there. Awesome network drivers. Gonna get this thing on the internet. I mean, it kind of already is. There's the driver, it just hasn't connected. Getting ready. Yeah, this setup actually isn't taking that long. Not as long as I thought it would. Just a moment. Oh boy. Something. Oh no, wait. Why'd I get excited here? I've installed Windows so many times. I know what this means. Just a moment. It's not just a moment. It's like the whole day. Like right now, like since the freaking purple setup portion, like it's taken significantly more time. This is the long part. And I was just about to say that, like, the setup is almost, like, as fast as, like, Windows 7 or XP, but no. God, no. Oh. Oh, we have sound. We have video. Oh. oh, gee. Welcome to Windows 11. Oh, let's connect. Windows logo's still there. Hey, you can go now. Oh, okay, bye. Connect now. Shut up, limited setup. It's been a while since I've gone through the Windows 11 out-of-box experience. Oh. And that's it. That's the end of the out-of-box experience, because I set it to make a local account. That's a good thing. Thank you, Rufus. I could kiss you, Rufus. Hi. Hi. Getting things ready for me. Please keep your PC on and plugged in. You know what? I just unplugged it. What are you gonna do now, huh? Hunt me down and shoot me? Good things coming my way. Okay. Almost there. Why did they say almost there? We're there. Wow. Windows 11. In all its glory. 22H2. I haven't used 22H2. Actually, I don't think ever, because my first Windows laptop that was able to have 11 at all, I got it in 2023. Die, tips. I know how to use Windows. Movies and whatever. Oh, actually, this is actually not too bad. Oh, Clipchamp, get out of here. You'll never beat DaVinci Resolve. Or Movie Maker, for that matter. Cortana, you don't exist anymore. And you're terrible. So, I guess I can't get rid of Cortana on Windows 11. You don't exist anymore. You can't... Whatever. Xbox. Yeah, I'm only playing so many Xbox games on my Core 2 Duo. Game Bar, nope. My phone, no. I want drivers for things. Oh, that's epic. Either low resolution or lower resolution. We'll go low. Well, I guess we better get connected to the internet. There we go. Okay, Windows Update. I don't want to update to like the 26Hs or whatever. like the newest 20, like the newest like major update, because I don't know if that'll break the install. No updates available. Are you sure? The fans are going full blast. Personalization. Can't stand to look at this white theme. Give me black. Black theme with the white taskbar for some reason. Yeah, you need to activate Windows before you can personalize your PC. I just personalized my PC. Did that cost me not having a... Oh, no, we're good. Black taskbar. It's all good. Oh, this is gonna take forever. I might as well just get the drivers myself. And we only have Edge to do it. Whatever. Edge will suit us for now. It's not even, like, bothering us, so... Oh, I spoke too soon. Screw off. X3100 Windows 11. I think this is what this has. Okay, OEMdrivers.com. Are you tired of AI slop yet? Yes. Oh, screw off. Continue. Yeah, the fake downloads. We never left those. Oh, dude, we already got the video driver. Wow. Widescreen. Oh, that's just splendid. Oh, gosh. Wow, this is something. Yep, 1280 by 800. We up this? Oh, yeah, let's not do that, because, it's, stupid. You'll need a new app to open. I deleted that. You know what? That sucks, actually. That's terrible. Oh. Core 2 Duo running the latest Windows, but hey, we have the transparency effect. That's cool. That's cool. I was gonna see 100 on everything. Well, yeah, yeah, 17 minutes of uptime, yep. Cores 2, yep. Dual core. Yep, oh yeah, it is T7500 at 2.2 gigahertz. Memory 4 gigabytes, DDR2. Yeah, that's not a lot. Yep, we have ST bazillion ATA device. And yeah, it's... Yep. YouTube.com / gotta plug yourself, you know? That's the rule of being a YouTuber, is you gotta plug your channel. 196 subscribers, damn. You guys really like this video. Let's watch it. In this economy, dank pods, that's a good one. That's a good one.
We put on sunscreen, your teeth are no different. Pronamel Active Shield.
Michael MJD, that's a good one too. I think that's enough of YouTube. Let's give it an old restart here. See just how long it really takes to boot. Please don't hit me with surprise updates. If you do, I'm going to snap this computer in half. Yep. Or just you asshole. You're actually an asshole. No. No, that's bullshit. No, you're not. You're an asshole. No, you're an asshole. No, fuck you. No, screw you. Screw you. Die in a pit. If you're going to do updates, tell me. Dude, I'm trying to force power off. If you're going to update the computer when I restart, tell me before I click it. Piss me off. Not everybody can afford a new computer, and they gotta use this. And this is not good. Dear God. Okay, do we have icons? Do we have icons? No? Didn't think so. We have the arrow. That's it. It's entirely it. We have a square, because I click. Oh my God, we have them all. Fully charged 100%. I think that concludes Windows 11. Windows 11's existence. I've had enough of this god-awful operating system. Expect more of this computer, though. I will be doing something with it. After I replace this hard drive. Hey guys, you want a free Windows Vista Home Basic key? Oh, there you go. It's yours, my friend. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Just die. Die?